guys, welcome back to the video. In this video I'm going to show you how to warp image on Photoshop. So don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. So the first here we got this picture, we'd like to warp this one. So we go here with right click and then choose open with, and you can choose Photoshop here. Click on it and wait a few seconds until it's opening on Photoshop. Once opening here, the first thing what you need to do, we need to create a box here. We click on it, and here we create a box, and then we can pick up any color. Just let's make it I don't know, let's make it blue, for example, and we must remove the strokes up here. So as you can see, it's been a box here. We go right click and choose convert to smart object, and then we reduce the opacity a little bit, and then we hold on control and then T, and here click and right click and choose warp, and then came here and click on this option and make sure to mark and always show guides, and also make the density on 2, and then jump here to warp, click this one and make it the last option, which is calendar. And then here we got the full access to change the curve up to down, right to left. So we can make it on, for example, like this one, and from here we can take it up. The same for the curves, we can move them here, but in my case I prefer to make it like this. And then right click here and choose distort in order to adjust the corners. So let's make this one here, click here. Now we can take the opacity back to 100%, and now click here, double click on the percentage. Here we must pick up any picture in order to change the color from the blue to any shape. So we go here to file and then choose place embedded and pick up any picture that you got from here. So for example, I would like to pick up this one, and let's just make it a little bit bigger. Okay, sounds good. Click here and now click on this option, choose yes to save the picture. And as you can see, we got it on this size. And here we go to this option and make it liner burn, and you can make it in liner burn, and also you can switch between all of these layers, but in my case I would like to make it a normal to look like this. Also you can change this here by clicking right click and go for blending options in order to change colors or add stroke or shapes or drop shadow as well. You can do whatever you want by going to blending options here, and then once you're done you can save it, and that's how you can warp a picture. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.